Carpet safe, floors sparkling. Xiaomi Mijia self-cleaning robot vacuum mop 2 Pro secrets.
Ever felt like your mop bucket is mocking you after a long day, leaving streaks and that faint mildew whiff? You're scrubbing while life piles up. Sound familiar? Drop yes in comments if tools have ever betrayed your clean home dreams. Picture ditching the drama for something that actually listens to your floors.
Deadlines loom, kids track in mud, and burnout whispers, "Just sweep tomorrow." Your back aches from bending. Stress builds with every missed spot. Imagine if there was a way to take control without adding more chaos. A quiet ally that handles the mess so you reclaim evenings for wine, not wipes. Enter the Xiaomi Mijia self-cleaning robot vacuum mop 2 Pro, like a cheeky butler who never needs tipping. Its 4+1 base station auto-washes the mop, adds cleaning solution, and hot air dries at 40 degrees C to banish odors faster than your coffee cools. One frazzled mom scheduled to clean while at work, return to gleaming tiles and a dry pad. No soggy surprises. Feel the whoosh of 4,000 Pascal suction devouring crumbs. The gentle spin of dual rotating mops at 180 RPM mimicking your elbow grease, but better. LDS laser navigation builds 3D maps, dodging shoes in dim light like a ninja. It lifts the mop over carpets automatically, zero wet rugs, pure intuition. The robot refills its own water tank mid-mission. No pauses for you. Keep watching for the bonus trick, a hidden app setting that supercharges dirty zone detection. Sense the freedom as it resumes charging, then picks up exactly where it left off, floors whispering, "Thank you."
Now feel the rush. Efficiency surges as Xiaomi Mijia self-cleaning robot vacuum mop 2 Pro slashes cleaning time by hours, laser-focused paths leaving no corner neglected, performance humming quietly under furniture. A tech influencer raved, "I couldn't believe how fast it changed my workflow. Pet hair gone, floors shiny, zero effort." One analyst noted it outperforms pricier rivals with self-emptying into a 4-liter bag, mop auto wash preventing cross-contamination. Picture this sensory bliss. Cool hardwood under bare feet, no sticky spots. The faint citrus scent from added solution lingering. A cat owner shared, "It grabs litter from rugs without tangling, and I only change the bag monthly. Pure relief." Thousands echo this. See why forums buzz with game-changer tales. Objection? Too techy? Nah. App setup takes minutes. Voice commands via Alexa make it playful. Which feature would save your day? Obstacle avoidance or multi-floor maps? Comment below. Rhetorical nudge. Ever vacuumed under the bed without crawling? This does it daily. Blend in a pro quote. "The drying efficiency jumped 70%. No more mildew nightmares," said a smart home expert. Curiosity building? The secret lies in intelligent dirt detection, cranking suction on spills. Touch the future, floors that stay pristine while you binge shows.
Limited stock alert. Join thousands who've already leveled up with Xiaomi Mijia self-cleaning robot vacuum mop 2 Pro before it sells out. A user gushed, "Best purchase, hours back weekly." Don't wait. Secure yours today and unlock a secret app feature that auto-adjusts water flow for streak-free shine. If pet hair or kid messes haunt you, this may change your game. Comment "Ready" for the bonus tip inside. Don't just watch, jump in and transform your cleaning chaos into effortless bliss now.